guys, welcome back to my channel, Southern Yankee. I am Terry. If you are new here, welcome. We're going to go through today and do our Boxycharm unboxing, and at the end I'm just going to probably insert a picture or something of the eye look because there is not much makeup in this box, and one of the things I got I won't be able to even use. This box is $25, I think it went up to now, and you get over $150 worth of product, and honestly it's my favorite subscription for makeup. However, recently, this box is the first box out of all the years been doing Boxycharm that I just really don't like this box. I was disappointed with what was in here. And you guys will see why in a minute, but I do think that I'll get some use out of some of the items, and when I added the value up, it was still well worth it for me. It's just, would I have taken that $25 and spent it on those items? Probably not. And actually, one of the items is ridiculously overpriced, so it better make me look like I'm 20. All right, so let's see. So this was Breaking the Ice. There's the little ice crystals. That's the theme for January, which is perfect. We're actually just starting to get really cold here in Virginia now. And so I'm going to use this. So the first item I'm going to show you is this. And I was kind of hoping I didn't get this item because I don't love it. But here it is. It is by Skin & Co. And it is the Truffle Therapy Face Gommage. This is a $28 value, and it says it's a delicate exfoliating cream with a rich texture and a soothing fragrance. Truffle Therapy Face Gommage is a lush formula combining the best of iconic Mediterranean lifestyle and luxury Italian spa experience. A beauty cabinet staple, the Truffle Therapy Face Gommage features a sweet almond oil, a gentle apricot seed powder, and our unique and exclusive black winter truffle extract, which has a high concentration of superoxide dismutase, a powerful free radical scavenger that reduces the signs of aging. Gently buff away and erase a dull, lackluster skin, revealing a more luminous and healthy complexion. Now, I have this in the Skin & Co. It's the same size and everything, but it's not face gommage. It's just a facial cleanser, and it's a truffle face cleanser. So I have it and I don't love it. These are made in Italy. I'm sure they're very nice, but I don't love it. It's a very thick consistency, the one that I have, and it's like a yogurt, I don't know, like a feeling of thick yogurt on your face. I don't like how it feels. And it also, with the scents in here, I'm not sure. I typically don't like a lot of fragrance in my skincare. It's not good for you. So I'm probably going to put this right up on Poshmark because somebody else might love it. I just didn't like the consistency more than anything else. The only difference with this one than the one I have is this has like an exfoliator in it and mine does not. So there it is. So that is a $28 value. So that is one. I'm going to show you the things I'm going to have to get rid of first. This next thing I'm really actually quite surprised I got in the color that I got. This is too dark for me. This is a where is it? Pretty Vulgar Undercolor Concealer, and it's $25 value. And you can see just by looking at it, your concealer under your eyes should be lighter than the rest of your face, and this is just way too dark, almost in like an orangey category. So this is definitely something that I can't use and keep. But this one is a $25 value. It says it's a lightweight gel serum concealer formulated to be hydrating, buildable, and providing medium coverage with a natural flawless finish. It has vitamin E and galactorabin, whatever that is, to keep skin moisturized and rejuvenate and improve the skin appearance. The angled doe foot applicator is easy to use, precisely applies the velvety soft formula to brighten the complexion and cover dark circles. Its blendable long-wear concealer is great for all skin types. So I will show you the doe foot. Yeah, so it is, you can see it's like an angled doe foot. So, but that is just so dark for me. So either I'll give that to somebody who has darker skin that might be able to use this, or I will put it in a little bundle like this together for somebody on Poshmark. We'll see. Now to the items that I will be keeping. The first one is this Petite and Pretty Fully Feathered Volumizing Mascara. Look at how beautiful the packaging is. It's super cute. And it says that this is a $16 value, and it adds volume and thickness and definition, and it has a quick dry formula that locks and curl, while the custom petite size hourglass applicator lays it on thick and separates lash by lash for a full leathered fringe. So maybe I'll try that a little bit on my lower. I already have a light wash of mascara on my face. If you guys haven't seen it yet, I did do a review of Tati Beauty's Blendiful Sponge. So everything on my face today was done with the Blendifuls. I left my eyes undone so that I can do the a look for you guys with what's in here, but we'll try using this. This is the most overpriced thing I've ever seen, and this is the one I was telling you guys better make me look like I'm 20 years old. So this is a Avant Skincare 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. So it works to reveal a more youthful and beautiful skin overnight, and it helps tighten the skin and lessen the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. So what I'm gonna do with this is pull this down on my neck. I am starting to see some signs of aging on my neck. I'm gonna use it at night. We'll see how this does, but this is a retail value of $107. So I did research, it's for 1.69 full ounces. And if you go and look this up, they sell 1.69 ounces, but in like a glass jar, and it's the same price. You can find it for as low as like $75. I found it at some places, but yeah, it's $107 retail value. So that's super expensive. And then the last item that I got, which I think everybody got, is the Ace Beauté eyeshadow palette, and this is a $34.99, and I've got the Sahara Scarlet Dusk. I got Scarlet Dusk, so there's that. And I'm just gonna open this and show you guys. It says it's reminiscent of the beautiful sunrise and sunset witnessed in various locations around the world. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. This I'm excited about. These are colors that I will use. So it's got the same front, nothing on the back is what was in the thing. And then we have all these beautiful, beautiful colors. And so you can kind of get like a little mauvey moment here, which is what I'm gonna probably do today. You can get an orange sunset look. You can, you know, use a couple of the lighter colors and like a little dark in the corner. You can do like an orange look. So I think there's a couple fun things that we can do. We have a mix of mattes and shimmers in here. And so this I'm excited about, and this is what I'm going to use for today's eye makeup look. And if you stay tuned, I'll probably record it, but I'll do it and then I'll just speed it up and show you guys the end result to keep the video short and sweet. So hang tight, and that's coming right up. Okay guys, I'm going to start with the color Lotus, which is right here for our transition. If I remember correctly, these are nice pigmented shadows. I have another one from this brand from Ace Beauté, and I do like it. I think it's a beautiful palette, and the colors blend well, and they're vibrant, and it's just an overall good quality. I've been happy with the quality of this. So just kind of, actually, let me zoom you guys in a little. I have some mascara and I made a mess, but we're going over with that liner, so it doesn't really matter. We don't care. This is a beautiful shade. It can be built up as well. And on my lips, I just have a ColourPop liner, and I use the, what is it, the In Beauty that we got in the Trend Mood box. I really like it. It's like a lip oil. All right. So we're just kind of going for a little bit of a softer glam look. See if we can do that with this palette, because it's a bright palette upon first look. Really like this color. This color is quite beautiful. It's like to me, this would be a beautiful just all over color. I mean, that's just a beautiful color. All right, next we're gonna go in with a little bit of a shorter brush, and I'm gonna take the Sangria shade right here, which is down on the bottom in the inner corner. We're gonna deepen this baby up. Go into the crease. It's pretty. It has a nice kind of transition to that other color. All right, that's really pretty. I'm gonna take that same first color, Lotus, and just kind of blend the two colors together there on the edges, just so we don't have any kind of lines. Okay, so far so good. And then I think for the overall, for my lid, I'm going to use the color Maui, which is a pretty shimmer pink here. We're just gonna do it dry and see what that looks like. It's beautiful. It's really, really pretty. All right, I'm really liking how that looks. I'm just gonna go in a little bit more with that sangria color just on the ends, just to blend that in a little bit more. Just like that. Stepping back, really like it. All right, so I'm gonna go in with that dark sangria color again on my bottom. Actually, first I'm gonna go in, nope, I am gonna go in with that dark sangria color on the bottom, just like halfway through down here. We're gonna keep this right up next to the lash line, and we are gonna blend that out, but for now we're just laying it down. Okay, so that's where we're at. Now I'm gonna take this like rounded brush. This is a, what color is it? Or this is a Morphe M322 brush we're using next. And I'm gonna go in with that Lotus shade. I'm gonna blend the Lotus and that dark in with a bigger fluffy brush all the way around. Really just used 3 shades, and it looks really pretty. All right. That looks pretty good. I'm gonna take that same pink shade and just go into the inner corner highlight here and bring that down a little bit on the lower lash line. Just sort of blend that together and go up there a little bit. So there, this doesn't give you like a super high shine, this color on your inner corner, but it's fine. It blends really nice. All right, so all I'm gonna do now is just kind of finish. I've already got, I didn't put any kind of liner on the top, so I'll probably do that, but we're gonna go in real quickly with a little bit of this mascara on the bottom lashes, just see what we get. It's a little wet. Yeah. It's weird when you already have mascara on and you're trying to put more on. I think I'm actually gonna just go without any top liner today. I like kind of the soft look of this without any liner. So Okay, guys, so that's it. So those are using the products from Boxycharm. It's pretty. I think it came out looking nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll put you back to normal. There we go. And I'll see you guys all in the next video. I will have my Boxycharm link below. They now have like the regular box, which is 25. They have a premium box, which is 35, and they have a Boxy Luxe, which is 50, but that only comes once a quarter, so 4 times a year. So you can actually get every month, you can get the premium box and the Boxycharm regular box and pay the 25 and 35, but you have to be a member of the regular Boxycharm to get the premium, and then once you are, you can cancel, I believe, the regular one and get the medium-sized one, and then you can still get the large one 4 times a year as well. So I've been on the waiting list for the premium box for 3 or 4 months now. I don't know when I'm ever coming off of it. When I get it, you guys will see it. And yeah, that's it. So you guys have a wonderful day. I hope you subscribe and stick around, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.